Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number one is companion, the number two, oh conclusion. Number three is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solution, Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Yeah. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, oh confusion. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution. A Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion. Everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution. A Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion and every.
Big dog.
Fola, you are causing confusion here.
Chief, what did I do now?
My account is not balancing. Look, anytime you come to visit, my account does not balance.
My millionaire, Bobo.
Scholar.
It's everything.
No. You have started chasing me up.
In fact, you are the love of my miserable life. Without you, my life, my life is just like hitting music without talking.
Scholar, okay, how much? Just tell me how much.
Chief, it's only 50,000 naira.
No, this chasing, this small chasing that I just done is not up to 50,000.
Okay. How much?
250.
Chief, how can I tell my friends now that my millionaire husband is a miserable miser?
You know.
So, sister, you're the latest, eh?
Yes, so the latest and the best.
Chief, sorry, yeah. How the mighty have fallen.
Hello, meaning what? Chief, I go scatter something here.
Wait. Caro?
In the flesh.
My sweet sistickling Caro!
Stop him. Caro, sit down. Don't even start with that romantic stuff before your babe begin react.
Babe, Scholar. Oh, this is Scholastica,
yes.
My neighbor Anika's daughter, who has come to borrow money.
Chief, stop it, Stop it, Joe.
Well, look, Scholar, tell your father that I can only afford to lend him 2,000 naira.
Chief, just try and make it 10,000 naira so that everybody will be happy.
3,500.
5,000, no more, no less.
All right. Go. Caro.
Why?
So, just tell him he should not come and borrow money again, no. Yeah? What's that? My darling sister,
I beg you.
long time. Now, wow, I need to. What will you eat? What will you eat? Okay. let us go and have lunch. Some guy to eat. Just me and you. Eh?
That might not be possible.
After all these years, look, let us just continue from where we stopped.
Why no? Huh? I thought we rounded up pretty nice the last time.
No. You vanished now. No. Look. The last I heard of you, you were in London, married, and you just disappeared. You could not be reached. It pained me. It pained me. No, it pained me because you were the major love in my miserable life. You were. When you left me, I was just like an orphan with no road map to his village. Carol?
Chief, when did you become a poet?
Look, I'm serious. I'm serious. Look, now that I found you, I love. You see, the love just jump higher and high like loco tree.
I better come down.
No, the love is going higher and higher and higher. In short, it's going high.
Come on, sit down. I beg, before our child will come here and think that his father has gone mad.
Our child? Child, you're not serious. Look, I didn't see you after you got married now.
Didn't you see me before I got married?
Was it only me? Was it only me? Your love was free and for all now.
Not try me, Chief. Not try me. You hear me, so you see yourself. You see as you be. You see you. Now, that was why I didn't even tell you I was having a child in the first place. You see you. What happened to your higher love?
It has come down. In short, it has died. Look, go, come and go. Just go. Just get out of here. What nonsense? Nonsense, woman. Imagine coming here to tell me, where will I put another child with all that battalion?
Honey, drop it back. Now, sugar. That is your dad.
Father, so pleased to meet you at last. Mom, thank you so much. Oh, thanks, Mom. I think I like you.
Oh, my sugar. Oh, baby. Oh.
Is he all right?
This is just the easy part, okay? When you get to his house, you have to be brave.
Carol, whose house?
See,
Carol?
Baby, I'll come for you when it's time to go back to London, okay?
All right, Mom.
Carol, come. We have to discuss this, We have to discuss this.
And sugar, you promise me you're gonna be good, okay?
Promise, cross my heart.
I'll
You don't
be
have to
brave,
do
honey.
that, okay? I'll be fine.
Don't let them do anything to you,
No.
baby.
Carol, come on.
Sugar.
Carol, come on. Come on. Carol, come on. Carol, come on. Yes, sit down. What is your name?
I'm Tarju, sir.
Tarju. I cannot have you walking about the house, people calling you my name. How am I going to confuse them? That are not my child.
Excuse me, sir?
No, nothing. Do you have another name?
Yeah, sure. Ardeborali, sir.
Alright. Any other name?
Fuji.
Mario.
Sir, is anything the matter?
No problem. Wait, we shall soon go to the house. Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Sir, can I ask you one question?
Yes?
Is your wife gonna be mad at you when she sees me?
Oh, baby.
Jumoke!
Mommy!
Ah! I've dished out the food.
Yes, mommy.
Make sure there is no kata in the sharing, okay?
Yes, mommy.
Your father's food is in the pot. Please, serve him when he comes back. I'm off.
Mommy, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, my dear.
Jumoke, what are you doing?
What?
Yeah. For you to be this quiet and in the kitchen, it means that you are testing the meat for size.
Stop.
You know what? I'll tell.
That's what?
That you're a thief. And that you tried to bribe me. And that I did not agree.
Whoa!
Well, after much later, I finally agreed. Troy. What? Look at this one. It's so big. Let me shape it for size.
Huh?
What?
See what you've done now.
Boy, is that not how Hitler used to put habit for us? Eh? Or do you normally reshape it?
Stop.
Rebel leader.
Ah, Rabu. No, see what you've done. The poor guy does not have meat.
Simple.
Ah, Rabu.
Simple. If anybody complains, I'll just yab Hitler and he will yab me, and it's a perfect plan.
Ah! Children, food is ready, oh!
Keep quiet. Good afternoon. Rabiu, take him to your room. You okay? You find him something to eat. Take care.
Where did he come from?
Papa just brought him.
Chief, eh? Chief?
Yes.
Hey, oríṣiríṣi wà ló ṣe.
Come in. Mr. Botani. What is your name?
Hey, mister. Not names.
What's yours?
Not me. K-leg. Yawa.
Ewa, Rabiu. Hey! New pikin has finished you.
Hey, you didn't finish me. You didn't finish me. You finished me. Come here. You finished me, eh?
Come,
Eh?
is this
What?
Yes! Very good.
You
are just fighting. If you
The boy has not entered the house and commotion. How will I maneuver this man? You see your life.
Who is that bro?
If you do not know how to behave, then get out of my room.
Who is that boy, Chief?
My friend's son, who was sent to come and spend holiday and
You see, I was wondering.
stop wondering and go and give me my food.
This is in the kitchen. This is my week. Eh? Oluwori. You have come back early. So we can start early.
Start early.
Yes.
On an empty stomach?
But, Chief, what you are doing in this house is not good. It's not good at all. Oh. Look, I keep seeing children appearing from left, right, and center. I will get my own share.
Look, the only share in question is my food. And if you do not bring it before I count 3, I will cancel your week indefinitely.
Cancel, ke?
1,
No,
2. Nonsense women.
Yeah, so here we are. Find a comfortable place and lay your head. I believe all the bed space are taken, so look for a comfortable space on the ground and lay your head. I'll get you a mat.
I can't.
You can't what?
I mean, I can't lie on the floor.
Bowtie, what is your name?
I'm Tarju.
Taju. A word of advice. Go back from where you came from. This place is a jungle.
I don't understand what is going on around here.
Here. Put this in a comfortable space.
Ew. Ew. Look at... Ow. Jeez.
Taju, I am very sorry. I forgot to warn you. You see, this mat belongs to Eshu Kekere. And she wets the mat.
Ayataju ade o eh. Oh yes. Ireti of 1 kilo of chicken. Ireti of love. Ayataju ade o hey. Ireti of love dido. Okay now, 1 pinch of curry. Ireti o love dido. Chang. Hey. Ireti o love dido. 1 half. Please let me. 2 pinches of cayenne. I almost forgot. Ireti o love dido.
Wow.
This is serious.
This notebook food. Now one chop am.
Oga.
Is it not Papa she wants to? Hey. I wonder who begged her to make her concoction.
Papa also teach her a lesson in this house. Big one.
Okay now.
Mr. Not Me, where's Mr. Bowtie? Shut
Hey! Where is Bowtie going?
Where is Frank?
Please, tell him to sit down and eat. Before Tatanfo concludes we did anything to you.
Hey. Come and eat fish before you leave.
I hope you gave him your bed.
Any affair. I gave him a Shukekere.
It's true. That will send him packing quick.
See, he says he doesn't want to stay on the mat or in our room.
Imagine the younger. Hey!
You know the main thing?
What?
His name is
Tatafo Junior. Yibu Jekwe. Mommy, my mother did not cook a crivet for my father. What do you mean? Does she know how to cook? Please go and warm yourself on the chair in the parlor, Jare. Ishira laga, Ishira boko. What do you know? Shio. What do you know?
Easy. I wonder.
Taju,
Do you want to eat? No thanks.
huh?
Grab you.
What's your name?
What? I bet you.
What's your this is my boss.
As I was saying, we do not wear this kind of cloth in our house. And we don't give our bags in our
Don't beg
city.
anybody to
About weakness still. Shame.
Abio, if he does not want our rights, he might want CP's murder. What? I beg you, Joe. What is it? Hello. What is your problem now? As I was saying before, I said we do not wear this kind of thing in our house. We don't give our bags in our city. Remove that blood.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2, conclusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Yeah. Okay. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this better union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, conclusion. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution.